Same way in database we have these different services like this DynamoDB is one kind of hardly widely used services in serverless. The DynamoDB is a NoSQL and serverless database service, we can say. So NoSQL means like it is easily scalable behind the scenes, and we able to do high traffic application. In that scenario, we are able to use DynamoDB, and it is completely managed by AWS. So it is a totally serverless service. Same way, this RDS means like RDS supporting many different database engine that is relevant to relational databases. Say for example, MySQL, some other like MariaDB, and many different engine is supported by um, RDS. So it is a relational database. Okay. So here we are able to launch our database, and all those management we are able to do under these RDS services. That is also one of widely used database service. So when we are creating database, it is asking us like we are easily able to create database, and it is asking us to select the particular engine, like we want to launch MySQL database, whether we want to launch MariaDB database or a Postgre database, Oracle. Amazon Aurora is also a default. I mean, this is a Amazon database, Amazon Aurora. So these are different engines we are able to select. Okay. And if we select, say for example, MySQL, and some particular, it asking for which particular version you want to launch, whether it is for a production or you are trying free trial. So we can say free trial, we are for now like as a demo purpose, and we can just select whatever, or like different options, which DB instance class. So for now we are using lesser, like DBT2 micro, so it will have a single CPU, single 1 GB RAM, so it will be not charge us much more. Okay, so let us create database. Okay, it is asking for us a like what will be username and password you want to give. So for now I'm giving just anything to just demonstrate the service. Okay, so that way you are easily able to create the database. Okay, we need to give a more character, so sorry. Let me generate password. That's quick. We can easily generate password here, right? So we need a few more characters, so that would be easy for us. Like for now it's demonstration purpose, so I'm giving anything for now, so don't worry about it. So here it is just creating a database. Okay, so here it will take a time. So as soon as it is created, it will show us a database instance, and we are able to see the detail relevant to it, and we are easily able to connect this database by using like detail relevant to it. Like we will have a endpoint, we will have a, particular endpoint, we will have a username and password. So we are easily able to connect this database by using SQL, Yog, or any kind of client tool. Okay, so this is just an example. So we can use any engine. Right now I just launched the MySQL. Okay, so this is an RDS service for relational database. It is widely used service. Same way, this DynamoDB is also widely used service for a serverless case. Then RDS is a relational database. There are serverless Aurora also available, serverless in relational case. So this is, you can see like the fast and flexible NoSQL database service for any skill. So this is a kind of like NoSQL. Same way, elastic cache is nothing but like this. Elastic cache is an in-memory database, we can say, that is used for caching purpose. Say for example, we have an application that is using RDS, and we have a very high traffic on RDS, and we want to distribute our traffic, instead of reaching out directly to the relational database. It can fetch and store data into the cache. In that case, we can use elastic cache. Like we have two options, like Redis and uh, you can see like elastic cache is kind of like caching in memory database. And we are able to use two things here, memcache or Redis. Okay, so it is really fast, and in high traffic RDS application, we are easily able to do the caching in between. So that is also one good option for caching purpose. So these are the highly used database services.